While persuasion may seem as simple as relaying information to convince people of a particular belief or concept, there's a lot of nuance involved. Here are 4 tips for sharing your message without putting off or confusing people. Effective communication is all about exchanging ideas. That includes establishing a good rapport with coworkers and colleagues, listening to what they have to say, and addressing any needs or concerns they might have. But sometimes a conversation's trajectory is pointed, like when you need to convince others of a proposal's value or help them see things from your perspective. The power of persuasion can help you accomplish goals like these. If you're a new manager, having your team understand and support your decisions and policies is essential. And if you're an employee who constantly collaborates with large teams, everyone needs to be on the same page to avoid wasting time or confusing project details. When considering how to be more persuasive at work, you have many options, including persuasion techniques to influence people and communication tactics to help get your point across clearly and confidently. 1. Know your audience and their interests. Understanding the subtle differences between the people you're speaking with helps you adjust your behavior to their interests. This could mean using a mellow tone of voice with a reserved person to put them at ease, or emphasizing how doing things your way will save a certain person time. 2. Don't be pushy. Even if you think your idea is best, a pushy approach only drives people away. Being pushy causes defensiveness and makes people check out before you're able to give a thorough, convincing pitch. Instead, an assured, straightforward approach shows you're not mincing words or using manipulative tactics. Listen well and concede if they make a good point. 3. Ask detailed questions. For those wondering how to be more persuasive in sales or customer-oriented roles, asking questions shows a genuine interest in someone's needs or concerns. Many people focus on explaining their point in extreme detail in the hopes of winning someone over. But closely listening to people's ideas shows you genuinely care about this person agreeing with you. When your audience knows you value what they have to say, it creates a better rapport and enhances communication. Nobody enjoys burdensome, complex explanations. They're tiresome and boring, and your ideas seem less appealing. Speaking to your audience in a straightforward, transparent manner makes your point understandable and enjoyable, and shows you've thought deeply about the topic. 4. Maintain a sincere tone. When trying to persuade others, assuring them of your honesty goes a long way toward increasing trust. You want to prove that your idea adds more value than someone else's, not trick people into believing it's a good solution. Those who come off as phony or overconfident often cause doubts, even if their pitch is strong. When you demonstrate honesty, people let their guard down and become more receptive. Use positive and engaging body language. Pay close attention to your nonverbal communication. Positive body language draws people in and may make them more receptive to your ideas. Some techniques include uncrossing your arms, making eye contact, leaning toward the person speaking, and using a passionate tone. How you say something is just as important as what you have to say. If you want more ways to influence and persuade people, kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the notifications